Can I open this with a joke? Yeah. I'm gonna go to the land of Hyrule. Get it? Because it's Hyrule, but there's like sky islands.
Oh, great, good joke.
In all seriousness, I'm not the biggest Breath of the Wild fan. I didn't buy the DLCs. I don't cosplay as Zelda in bed, or not Zelda, Link rather. The point is, I've only got about 250 hours in the game. So I'm only a little bit excited about Tears of the Kingdom, which is why I'm totally not bothered at all by the fact that this special edition Switch OLED we're gonna be unboxing doesn't come with the game. I'm okay, it doesn't matter. My Super Nintendo with the Super Mario World on the box came with the game, but that's fine. I'll buy the game separately. I'm very ready, and I'm very confused because why would dbrand sponsor a video about a device that's already skinned? Oh, shut up. Oh no, it's not enough to go toe to toe with Sony. They wanna go at it with Nintendo. They sponsored an unboxing of a skinned Switch OLED so they can show your own skin that presumably they will expect you to choose. Wow, Illuminati triangle instead of Nintendo imagery. We're gonna get to that later, or who knows, maybe not at all if dbrand goes bankrupt fighting Nintendo in court and can't afford to pay me. All right, first up is the Joy-Cons. Actually, I'm pretty happy with the quality of the plastics here. You know, I don't check out too many special edition consoles or anything, but this is pretty solid. The gold has a fair bit of actual sparkle. I really like this matte white that they're doing here. And how's the quality of the screen printing? You know what, not bad. This is really important for something that you're gonna be interfacing with day in, day out. This side's meant to look weathered, so I guess it wouldn't really matter if it rubbed off a little bit. But this side, not so much. Oh, that's kind of disappointing. See, I've sequestered myself. I have intentionally not looked at any Tears of the Kingdom stuff, including special edition consoles or whatever. Yeah, that's a little boring. Like the Switch OLED, it's got a little kickstand, got your micro SD slot so you can back up your save games if you don't have a Nintendo Online subscription. Just kidding, you can't do that because Nintendo hates their customers. Hopefully the dock is a little bit more exciting. You know, I think I see where dbrand was going with this, trying to zhuzh this up a little bit. The box looks so cool. They don't even show the back of the Switch. Why does the back of the Switch not look like that? That looks pretty cool. I am liking the dock. Backside of the dock, pretty boring, but realistically, you're not gonna have the cable side showing anyway. Okay, that's Nintendo's effort. I'm gonna be firing up Tears of the Kingdom for the first time real quick here, but first, let's have a look at dbrand's attempt. Okay, I mean, I can obviously see the resemblance in the Joy-Cons. Got a bubble there, dbrand. Got a bubble, clone of the kingdom. This side's perfect though. Actually, they've gotten really good at curved device wraps. I haven't really checked them out that recently. Should I attempt to unpeel it and get them up? Okay, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I want you guys to help me be the judge then. As we construct this, original Joy-Cons or clone of the Kingdom Joy-Cons? The inspiration is very obvious. We've gone from circles to hexagons, presumably because they're bestagons. We've gone from this to this, but more different this. And instead of first party Legend of Zelda, what appears to be a mask of some sort. Oh, you'll have to forgive me, I'm not familiar with this particular bit of Zelda iconography. And we've got an Illuminati triangle, pyramid, excuse me.
There's some green that's no black.
Yeah, green goes to black. I'm not that into the green, personally.
dbrand offers both.
Oh, dbrand has a green one too?
You like Nintendo.
Oh, of course they do.
I like the black one of the dbrand more, but I like the white Nintendo one more.
Yeah, this one's cool. This gold is definitely more glittery. That's something that stands out about the first party one. But what about the Switch OLED? Oh, I would have thought they would go a little more fun. It's just bestagons instead of circles. To their credit, they actually end up with a more complete graphic. The top of the original doesn't have that kind of textured look, whereas the dbrand wrapped one does. I think that's a point for dbrand. It's also higher contrast. What am I even really looking at? Do they have artist lawyers? Lawyer artists, is that a thing? Where their role is to draw something as close as humanly possible to something else without infringing the copyright? Because this seems very inspired by.
Their talking points say that their shiny gold finish looks different than on their usual skin.
It's got a really kind of soft glow to it compared to the harder look of the original. It's not actually the gold that stands out to me as much It's more this kind of pearlescent thing that they've got going on here that looks awesome. It's just white on the original, but you can kind of see it. Man, I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think I like dbrand's, there are 3 golds here. Best gold is the original Joy-Cons, followed by dbrand's skin gold, followed by Nintendo's screen printed gold. But this is really cool.
In their doc, they talk about marble. Would you call it marble?
Is it marble? I don't know what it is, but it looks freaking awesome.
They say there's a more distinctive marble effect around the center design.
Yeah, okay, well that looks amazing. Which one do I put the game cartridge in?
The Nintendo one, 'cause that's where we already updated it.
Oh.
The business guy says dbrand, but the production guy says the first party Nintendo one because that's where we already installed the game. How about this for a compromised business person? I will put the dbrand Joy-Cons on the original Nintendo Switch. Deal? All right, deal. Oh, and I should probably decode this hidden message that dbrand has sent to me that probably is rude. Thank you.
There's 2 hidden messages, and they want you to do this one.
They want you to
Not
do
that one.
this one. Okay. Haha, Linus is so short and has an ugly car. There, I did it. Oh no, you want me to... What are these glyphs? Whis? Oh, what? Oh, I'm sorry. You got the flag this high and you got the flag this high. And they're totally different letters. Though in fairness, I mean, this is Nintendo, and depending on where you hit the flagpole, it's a very big difference in points, which matter in Mario. This is gonna take forever. That's the message. This must be this funds our. This has gotta be our. Yes, this funds our legal something. It's gotta be defense. This funds our legal defense. Oh, I see, you buying skins, I assume. All right, dbrand. I better get paid. We took cash in advance for this, right? Oh good, dbrand's apparently already on the list. I have not touched my Switch since I finished Breath of the Wild pretty much. And for those keeping score at home, Breath of the Wild came out 6 flippin' years ago. I don't remember the last time I was this nervous launching a video game. Like, who cares, right? But on the other hand, I loved Breath of the Wild, and I loved it for its differentness. I loved it for its innovation. I loved it for its things that were infuriating. It was the first RPG that I've ever played that had a meaning to collecting more coins or, you know, more rupees or whatever. The fact that weapon breakage made you explore all these different strategies, really, you know, it wasn't just another bokoblin encampment or whatever. I loved that. Honestly speaking, I was kind of disappointed to hear that Tears of the Kingdom is just the same Hyrule, but like a direct sequel. Literally every review, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100. So what do I make of this? While we go through this cutscene, I have something really exciting to show you guys. Announcing LTT Sticklocks. These are designed to fit on pretty much every major modern console or controller. And what they do is if you're transporting your devices, you simply put them onto your joysticks, like so, and they lock them in place so they won't accidentally get bumped or wiggled while they're in your bag. Cool, right? They're made of a super flexible silicone rubber, and they also double, actually I think we kind of fixed this issue because they used to accidentally pop all the time. Yes, we have fixed this issue, but you can still kind of fidget toy them a little bit. Oh, they sent a Steam Deck. Of course they did. Project Kill Switch, blah, blah. Every pack of Sticklocks comes with 2 pairs, allowing you to do up 2 of your consoles. So here it is fitting on a full-sized joystick as well. Oh, this already has dbrand's joystick covers on it. Sorry, dbrand, they're not compatible with Sticklocks. See you later. It's like, holy crap, we screwed up the Steam Deck compatibility. This is a big problem. There we go. Neat, huh? Anyway, the idea is just to keep your sticks in place and transport. By the way, this looks awesome. I think this Steam Deck actually kind of looks cooler than the Switch. It helps that there's kind of a larger canvas for it too. Love these skins on the touchpads. Oh, sorry. I just actually want to play this game. Confession, I don't plan to play it on the Switch, but I bought my game. I don't care at that point. Sorry for anyone for whom this is a spoiler. I can already see where they're going with this. I have full hearts. Obviously, we're gonna get amnesia or get all of our, junk lost or something like that. I guess I'll have to do this on my own time. Just like you will on your own time, subscribe to ShortCircuit.